What's up, YouTube? Today we have a Queen City knife. 203 Trapper. So this is a weird, I don't know why they called it a Trapper, because this is fairly obviously an equal end knife. This is a 54. This one I'm almost positive is. Let's look. Yeah, this is a GEC 54 with a similar, we'll do a side-by-side comparison in 1 second. I really like this knife. I'm going to carry it. So you can see there's no gapping on the back except for right there. Really like the coloring on this. I mean, they really did a stellar job. Super classy shield. Of course, you've got the other blade. This coping blade is extremely stylized. If you look at this guy, the chamferding, I don't know if it's going to come up. Kind of, you can kind of see. So side by side, you can see that this dude is a little smaller. Just overall is a smidgen smaller than the GEC 54. I got this. The winning bid was $75 on eBay, so it was like 80 something. Which means I got this at a steal of a price. The only markings it has are Queen City, as you can see, and then on the back it has the Queen Cutlery mark, USA, and then it says carbon. Very cool. Glad to get a hold of this. The centering is good to go, as you can see. It's just overall pretty squared away. I like it a lot. I'm going to carry it. Thanks for watching this one through to the end with me here. That's about all she wrote. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you again in the next one. Good rest of your day. Bye now.